Open your kitchen cabinet and check inside carefully. Even clean cabinets can sometimes attract bugs. Small insects often hide in dark corners of cabinets. If you notice a bug, don't panic. Here's how to keep your kitchen cabinets bug-free. First, remove everything from the cabinet shelves. Take out dishes, containers, and food items. Start by wiping the cabinet with a dry cloth. Use a vacuum to clean crumbs from edges and cracks. Next, spray a mild cleaning solution on the shelves. Wipe the surface using a clean microfiber cloth. Don't forget to clean around the cabinet hinges. Check small corners where bugs like to hide. Seal any tiny cracks or gaps in the cabinet. Store dry foods in airtight containers. Keep grains like rice or flour tightly sealed. Place spices in properly closed jars. Always remove crumbs from cabinet shelves. Clean cabinet doors and handles regularly. You can also use natural bug repellents. Bay leaves and cloves help keep insects away. Place a few bay leaves inside the cabinet. A small container of baking soda can also help. Sprinkle a little baking soda in hidden corners. Check the cabinet under your sink as well. Make sure there is no moisture inside. Use moisture absorbers if needed. Always close food packages tightly before storing. Shelf liners can help protect cabinet surfaces. Organize items neatly when putting them back. Make sure the cabinet door closes properly. Inspect cabinets regularly for signs of bugs. Clean spills immediately to avoid attracting insects. Create a weekly cleaning routine for cabinets. You can use a vinegar solution for cleaning. Wipe the shelves again after spraying. Sometimes check cabinets at night with a flashlight. This helps spot hidden bugs early. A clean cabinet keeps pests away. Regular maintenance makes a big difference. With these steps, your cabinets can stay bug-free.